Thank you, member again. New car today. Just take the car only. You see the km, the 0 km there. Only 45 km. Only run the 45 km only. Today just take the new car, install the power port and Mazda Android interface. This member say he don't want to show face, very dangerous. He say it's wanted. He is wanted. 唔好鬧我，唔好送嘢之類。Okay, this one is a Zooks. This one is a waist. I can use the waist. Actually, it's there. Before I show you the waist, like so bad you saw something. Go back to original. Sims 咯，你可以 radio everything. Original program. This is not Android Auto. It's CarPlay. This one is a Mazda Android interface. Just plug and play. No cut wire, no drill, no tapping. Everything is a plug and play. It's a fucking really nice one. A lot of customers say don't speaking the busuk fucking. I like fucking. Sorry. You can see everything is the original here. You can turn the volume, anything. This button is the navigation. So I press the navigation, still got original thing. All is the original. But when I want to use the interface, I just select to the aux. Hold the voice call button, 2 seconds. Go back, come to here. Okay, now I come back here already. Here is a waist. I can check KLCC. I go. Go now. Let's
take E20 Maju Expressway, Vexjulankia Kuala Lumpur.
Okay, this one is Spotify. You see Spotify logo here. You can play Spotify. Okay, next song. Spotify also can hear. Yes, Spotify. Okay, next song. You can control the voice button also. Voice button. Okay, so you can close, stop the Spotify. You can use back the waist. If you don't want to use waist, press the square box and close. And then you can download a lot of apps from the Play Store. This one of the this is YouTube 咯，呢個 YouTube。咁樣呢個都係我覺得好慳 data 啦。咁樣我成日都播歌 generation， 突然間啲 member 講我又變態啊！啲顏色靚啊嘛，播得迪百士得多，又講我中意迪百士多搞基咯。睇得女都係又話我講我中意韓國妹咯，好艱難嘅啫喎。因為佢哋卡得靚嘛，韓國妹養眼啊嘛。No change the hardware. Everything is original. Just plug and play. 20 minutes I install finish. That's my YouTube. You can play any offline movie, MKV, AVI, and whatever file you can plug in here.